These legendary colors represent one of football's greatest teams. But creating these jerseys requires advanced textile engineering. The process begins inside giant sportswear factories.
Most football jerseys start with polyester raw materials.
Then, powerful machines begin transforming it into performance fabric.
The polyester is melted using extreme heat. It is pushed through microscopic holes to form fibers. These fibers are stretched for strength and flexibility. Cooling stabilizes the fibers for athletic performance.
Then, these polyester fiber are wound into large cones. Then these polyester yarn cones dyed in yellow and green colors. The fibers are now spun into sportswear yarn.
Factories produce thousands of yarn cones every day.
Every batch is checked carefully for consistency.
Twisting improves durability during intense matches.
The material must remain flexible under pressure.
Modern sportswear factories run almost non-stop.
Even tiny color differences are unacceptable. These colors will form Brazil's iconic football jersey. Computerized knitting machines create the fabric structure.
Thousands of loops are formed every second. This creates lightweight ventilation zones. The famous football jersey pattern slowly appears. The material is stretched for better flexibility. Huge factories produce kilometers of fabric daily.
Comfort is essential for professional players.
The completed fabric is rolled continuously. Airflow testing helps players stay cool.
The lightweight design improves overall performance.
Next comes the graphics and branding process. The national crest is printed with precision. Player numbers are added using heat transfer technology.
Every symbol must align perfectly.
Modern printers handle even tiny details accurately. The design must remain perfectly symmetrical. Heat treatment permanently locks the graphics. Each panel is checked before cutting begins. The prepared material moves to the cutting section. This factory produces jerseys for fans worldwide.
Marker paper making on computer for cutting.
Marker paper making for Brazil's jersey fabric cutting by plotter machine.
Then fabric layers are spreading on cutting table automatically.
Computer-controlled cutters shape the jersey pieces.
Precision is critical during this stage. Each section is cut separately.
Even small collar parts require exact measurements.
Automation improves both speed and consistency.
One production line can create thousands daily.
Now the yellow Brazil jersey finally starts taking shape. Skilled operators sew the main sections together.
Strong stitching improves long-term durability. Sleeves are aligned carefully for comfort.
Collars are attached using specialized machines.
Reinforced seams handle intense athletic movement.
The production line operates continuously.
Every stitch is checked carefully.
Ventilation zones improve airflow during matches.
Premium jerseys often include embroidered details. The iconic jersey is finally complete. From raw polyester to football history, this is how Brazil's football jerseys are made.